Oh, no. No, it didn't, son. We had to be 10 feet up on that one. All right, guys, let's unhook. Let's get going. Stock Raptor out here. Took the big 3 off of it. For some reason, thinking fall time riding. Probably like it nice and quiet and just a cruiser, you know? Just a cruiser. I'm pretty sure everybody's gonna roast me in the comments. Who buys a bike with the big 3? You know what I'm saying? And takes them off. Brain damage, boys. I got brain damage. So we're gonna try it. Like I said, you guys interested in it, jump down in the comments. Let me know. Big 3 for sale. You can shoot me a message over on Facebook if you want to. I'm just gonna let her go, see what happens. Oh yeah. I can tell by the way she rolled off the trailer she's ready to go. What do you think? Ugh. Power on. Oh, she's ready. She's ready. I'm pretty sure I put all the bolts back in it. Oh, no, I did not put a bolt back in that fender. Ah, way to go, Gianni. What about this one? Yeah, she's solid. All right, missed a bolt there. I thought I had some extra bolts left over. I think she'll be good to go. We'll find out. But anytime you work on something, if you don't have parts left over, did you even work on it? You know what I mean? Alright. This little Hatfield McCoy going to hit some blue trail today. Got to wrap around. Do a little blue trail ride. Oh boys, I'm telling you, something about that stock exhaust just makes me feel like I'm a test rider for ATV on demand. You know what I mean? And no, I haven't been watching those videos all week long. Pissing all new from 2015, 2022 Raptor 700R, low end torque grunt, hybrid steel and aluminum chassis. Oh yeah. Liking the stock exhaust now. Oh, power is sliding. Oh, parking lot looks a little busy. Let's be somewhat careful down here. Man, it's been too long since I've been out on this baby. I was out just day before yesterday. New Commander build coming out. Can-Am Commander 1000 base model, okay? Went with the base model, but we may change the wheels and tires up. Price point on the base model. We'll do an overland build. Do some long trips, some camping. Got a tablet with all the maps in it now. Completely different style riding. We want to get out and rip. We got the Raptor, we got the Banshee, we got the YZ250. Get out, do some overland stuff, some riding, some long trips. Got the Commander. Take it easy, just cruise. pat the gear, pat the cooler, do your thing. You know what I'm saying? Where y'all going? Oh, they went down to no entry. Alright boys, we ran one of them down, took them home. Had we not hit the no entry there. Alright, then back to what I was saying. To round out the fleet, the guys that's new to the channel haven't came across any new videos in 6 weeks because I haven't posted any because I've been a bum. But we're back at it. We're going full time. We also got the 22 Renegade 1000 XMR. Splash in the water, play in the mud. I'm not a go real deep guy. I like playing in the mud, splashing around a little bit from time to time. But I'm not a swamp 'em up, go deep, 38-inch Sassy-nators type, you know. Stock tires, run it out, 30-inch Crispets. Be good enough for what I do around here. She's definitely lost some punch. Minus the big 3. But I'm gonna be honest with you. I think I like it a lot better. Now, be it I may. Oh, look at it. I'm loving the stock trim Raptor. Y'all guys call me crazy, I don't care. Oh, that's how I like it. Got a nice Cuervo temperature gauge. Let's see where we're running here. Oh yeah, about $1.75. About right on the money. I bet that was a message about that big 3. Video just came out there already. Video ain't even out yet. I'm filming it now, so you guys won't see it for a few days. That's how popular the big 3 is gonna be. So y'all get it while it's fresh, while it's hot. A little second gear launch, sure. We'll give it. That's the 3rd gear front wheelie pull. It'll still do it. That was no clutch. That was a 4th. So it's loving it, guys. Main reason coming out today was just kind of to rip it hard on the stock setup. See how I liked it before I sold the big 3 kit off of it. And I'm telling you, I think I'm sold. Oh, we bunny hopped that one nice. And just like that, when you're cruising, throw her up a gear. So good in stock trim, man. Steady content coming, guys. Hit that subscribe button, share the videos, push us out. Oh no it didn't, son. We had to be 10 feet up on that one. And 10. Let's go straight up 26. Sticking on the blue trail stuff. You know, nothing major rough, but a little rideable. Oh, look at this cloud cover. Down in the trees. This kind of riding I love. When you get down in the trees like this, true 4-wheeler trail ride, like back in the day. .28, 26. We'll stay on 26. Man, it's just smooth everywhere. I'm tickled with that. Tickled. Alright guys, that's gonna do it. Loving the stock trim, baby. Loving it. That's gonna do it for now. Oh, about dropped y'all. That's gonna do it. Check it out. I know I show y'all walk around about every video. Just go up and shame, man. I love it. Okay, she's up about just under 200 right now. That's gonna do it. Stock trim Raptor. Beautiful weather. Beautiful time riding. It's good to be back out. Like to do some trips with this thing. What's some good ATV parks? I'm in southern West Virginia. You know, if anybody knows any good quad parks, good ATV trails, I'd love to go to a couple different places, right? Anybody got some good riding parks? Jump in the comments down there, let me know. Anybody interested in the big 3 setup, she's for sale. Because I'm gonna keep it stock. It's running smooth on the bottom end, no hiccups. I got some sweat going on. I'm about to get back in some shape now. Now we're back riding. And then we're laying on the couch eating my own fudge rounds that I bought myself. Big 3 for sale. Jump over on our Facebook page. Throw us a message there. Try to get somebody hooked up with it. Try to give you a good deal, get it moved. That's gonna do it. And we'll see you guys soon on another one. I promise you. Promise you. You know? Not running out on you this time. I'm here for the content. I hope y'all are here for the content. I hope the channel continues to grow. I know it can't do that when there's a video every 6 months. So I want to step it up. So y'all stick around for it. Hang out with us a little bit. I'll try to get some of the fellas back out here riding. But I'm just jabberjawsing now. I'm sure 98% of my viewers are gone by this point. So for the other 3 people hanging out here with me, if y'all ever in the area you want to do some riding, holler at me. I'll have my helmet on. We'll try to get together, do a little something, do a little riding.